Panduit has been an industry leader in stainless steel solutions for years. Our vast product offering allows for safe, efficient, and reliable installation. And those products include standard ball lock ties, discrete and custom length strapping and banding, as well as unique solutions like cable cleat and permanent identification. Before we go into those more, make sure you're subscribed and hit the bell icon for notifications on Panduit's other solutions. First off in the Pan-Steel offering is the metal locking tie, MLT. These ties are great because they feature coined edges for improved user safety. They have a wide mouth head and low thread force for 3 times installation speed over other solutions in the industry. This tie you might be able to pick up is 304 from the stamping on the head. They come in 316, 316 with low carbon, and also aluminum. As you can also see here, you can have them selectively coated in nylon 11 or fully coated in polyester and in a variety of different colors. All of these have been tested to the strictest industry standards. And they also come in a variety of different sizes. Next up in our Pan-Steel offering is our series of retained tension ties. The MRT is similar to the MLT, has all the same features, except they are better suited for general purpose mechanical fastening and high vibration applications due to their higher retained tension forces. The MRS is similar to the MRT, except it has a unique tongue on its head that eliminates the gap under the tie and ensures a complete seal on circular or round surfaces like hoses or rubber boots in vehicles and heavy equipment. Lastly, the HTMLT or MLTW wave ties retain their tension through a unique wave in its body, which also allows it to expand and contract in high temperature applications such as heat shields or heat trace. Lastly, to round out the Pan-Steel offering, we have discrete or cut-to-length banding and strapping. These products also feature coined edges, high mechanical strength, and unique buckle designs that don't require a hammer to install. We engineered them this way because we know you'll be installing these in harsh industrial environments, mounting sensitive equipment like instrument tubing, or even large devices like signs, signals, and 5G boxes. In order to support all of the products we've mentioned thus far, we offer a diverse and robust line of installation tools. These range from low-volume manual tools to a battery-powered platform from our friends at Milwaukee, and then all the way up to a pneumatically assisted tool for high-volume OEM applications. When using Panduit-specified tools with corresponding stainless steel products, the user can be assured that the installation has been tested and listed to common industry standards, as well as our own strict internal quality requirements. In fact, I am in one of our testing facilities that has housed stainless steel product samples aging naturally on the roof that have been incrementally tested over the past 25 years. So for more information on these products or other Panduit products, please visit panduit.com, contact your local distributor or sales representative.